Hey guys, welcome back to another episode, and today I'm trying to draw a train. So today, when we draw a train, it's only going to be the front part of it, and I got my pencil over here. It's not a school pencil because it's black at the end. Let's go see, black. Wait, stop it. Today I'm gonna draw that train. Yeah, you guys know. Let's get into it. So guys, I've just done the little slide part you got of the train. Goes under where all the wheels are. Got a little window and he's shading. So there, I've done my window. So I've got what's on trains. I am on train my whole life. Well, I have. There. Oh, I think I just ruined it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I need to have like a little gap because the train. This is like a wintry train now. Like in LA, if you guys have played DJ, that's like in LA. You find trains like these with like little scoops at the bottom so you can push the snow away and whatever's in front of them because they don't really care in Los Angeles. So definitely like the police, because all the police do is just fight anyone. If you guys have heard of it, well, I play it. I don't do it on my channels because it's not mine, and I'm not that kind of guy who does it. Okay, I've just done the little scoop in there. What's happening? You guys look, on camera. What? Oh, you want to snap it now. So, guys, I have to draw the wheels because. Wait, sorry about that. Wait, you don't want to wave the camera. Go on. Okay, let's get back into it. So, a wheel, I don't know how the wheels go, so I'm just going to do like a little circle with like a dot in it, like a car wheel. I think they have like steam engines on the top, so I'm just going to draw like a little steam engine where all the steam comes out when it goes, and little smoke come out. Okay, and then little sparks come out the other one because that's where the fire could go. Okay. Where's he gone?